Vibha Gai. So she is a UK brand ambassador for Tanqueray. So she has been sharing a lot of recipes about in the coming module. We have Hito Keniko, who is also a world-class winner, and he also has to share some recipes in the module. We have Travis Mitra. He is also a founder of a tropical bitters, which comes from Tanqueray as a base. And we have Lauren Moore, who was a global cocktailer. He served with us from last year, but now she's moved to another company. That hits you in the sides of the tongue. The hoppy flavor expands in your mouth as a drink. It is dynamic but more subtle and enjoyable in the wider audience. So what do you understand by that? So infusing your gin with the hops. Again going to the next segment, but a very simple thing, just an infusion, but going to another segment that can actually elevate your gin and tonics. If you can change one ingredient, like a one modifier, if you see it as a gimlet. If you change lime cordial to a dry vermouth, it turns into a martini. And if you change your dry vermouth into a sweet vermouth, it turns into a martinis. Going forward, if you change the bitters into a bitter aperitif, it turns into Negroni. Going forward, to J&Ts, to Tom Collins, to a white lady. So one simple. What we want to convey to you guys is to think simple and think innovative. So changing one ingredient can actually change your cocktail and can be innovative and simple. Flavors of texture. What modifiers do you else think? We talk about vermouth, we talk about. So we'll start with vermouth, but there are n number of modifiers which you can actually elevate your gin and tonic. Not to overcomplicate the drink with too many modifiers. This can make it hard to pick out the base spirits and prevent the individual modifiers from shining. Take inspiration from the 3 ingredients Hall of Fame. Right? The limes, gin and your cordial can also help you in terms of delicate your smooth mouthfeel. So that's what I was telling you. You need to know about your brand, which gin you are using in terms of making your gin and tonics and how you can elevate your gin and tonics. Very important. If we are here in Delhi NCR, always support local. You see what seasoning you are getting. You can change your seasonal fruit to a cordial, which can also elevate your GAT. Now another cocktail which we have is the Basil Row from Vibha Gai, where we have Tanqueray number 10 gin, lime juice, white pepper syrup. Again, interesting ingredient, right? White pepper syrup, strawberries, basil, just not going with citrus, again with the fresh fruit like strawberry and basil, and top it up with some champagne. How do you think?
cartography. Now the reason to put this image at the background is a reason that why regions in Scotland are so important when you're creating cocktails by using a particular style of whiskey that is coming from Scotland. Now these are the contributors to the module. Now when I'm saying contributor, that means that they have given a lot of time to create this module as a world-class module. So how you as a custodian of a bar who is handling a large whiskey portfolio, how you will make that whiskey list, and how you as a guy will eventually start selling cocktails using a particular style of whiskey. If you give him Talisker on the rocks, he will never drink Talisker in his life, and he will never forget your face, by the way, because you have spoiled his whiskey. But maybe you says, hi, my name is XYZ, and let me make you an amazing cocktail which is called penicillin. But if you make that cocktail using Talisker and you give it to a guest who has been very well exposed with ginger and lemon and the flavor that everybody loves, he will love that cocktail. So think about these ideas and application, how you will then pick up a product from your bar, how you will create the cocktail. Inspire and elevate. When you make an old fashioned, you basically make a simple drink using whiskey, bitters and sugar and ice, and you stir it for a while with a smile and you create a great drink. Yahi karte ho aap? That is how you make an old fashioned. But what you will do to create that old fashioned in a slightly more fancier way, you might infuse your whiskey, you might use a palm jaggery or any other sugar substitute, you might use a different quality of bitter, you might use a great quality of ice, maybe hand carved. Kar loge? Haan to bol rahe ho. But what you are doing is you're bringing a lot of creativity to that simple drink and making it a world class drink. That is what world class is all about. And the important part, which is very important for you for the challenge brief, the first round is story mapping, is to know how do you do storytelling. Because he may not remember your drink, but he will remember the story that you have, that you have created, and that story basically becomes a very emotional touch. Imagine आप Bollywood movie देखने जाते हो, movie time मिलता है देखने का पहले में, होटल ये रहा time कहाँ मिलेगा, आधा सीजन मेट्रो में देख लेते हैं, आधा सीजन बाद में पीछे देख लेते हैं, ऐसी होता है. But if you see a story, you see a movie, how that one story, gets tears out of your eyes. How that one story recalls maybe your childhood, your college days. So this is the creativity, how people, when they create storytelling, they bring out real emotions to your life. And that is what you have to do when you create a world-class drink. First slide, it says how landscapes changes flavor. It took me a lot to understand this slide, by the way. It comes from different landscapes of India. And everybody have their own taste when they create that biryani. And when they create that recipe, they will think about how they have been transformed into a chef who has been making Hyderabadi biryani. And you will see the majority of ingredients are same. Rice is always one of the core ingredients in biryani. Similarly, for a whiskey, barley for all single malts is same. There is no change in terms of the particular grain that you use when you make whiskey. Similarly, biryani. But the gentleman who is making that biryani, उसके दिमाग में क्या है, उसकी रेसिपी क्या है, उसकी जनरेशंस क्या बनाती आ रही हैं, that is how he will take it throughout the generations. Right, wrong?
Right.
This is how whiskeys is all about. This is, अब मेरे पीछे बोलना एक बार है, say people and places, don't just make whiskey, they change the future of it. है ना, आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप अपने आउटलेट में एक पर्टिकुलर ब्लडी मैरी कैसे बनाओगे. एंड सिमिलरली पीपल एंड प्लेसेस, या तो लोग या तो जगह. अगर आप कलकत्ता में काम कर रहे हो, यू विल इवेंचुअली स्टार्ट मेकिंग बिरयानी विच इज अ कलकत्ता बिरयानी. सो हिल्स, रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड कॉल्ड हिल्स. अगर आपको हिल्स वर्ड याद है ना, you will understand the map of Scotland in 30 seconds. H means, I means, double L means, and S means, याद रहेगा आपको, hills. Okay, and when you see a whiskey menu, it is basically hills. इसके अलावा एक और रीजन है which is called Campbelltown, जहाँ से 3 distilleries हैं जो whiskey produce करती हैं. One of the famous distillery is called Springbank. This is a drink which is made with Talisker. Lucas Lopez Davalos has created this world-class drink which has Talisker, Aquavit, homemade sweet punch, citrus mix and Peychaud bitter. It has a great story. Please Google this drink called Modena and you will understand that how a modern punch with whiskey has been created by Lucas. And most of the punches in the world are made by rum. But the idea is that when people love whiskey as a category, when people love whiskey as a spirit, why not create a punch using whiskey? Rituals is anything that elevates the experience of the drink. It could be a starter, it could be a piece of a chocolate that you may give it to a guest and says, sir, Talisker and dark chocolate is a great way how you will enjoy this. Maybe a fresh, a slice of green apple with singleton is a ritual that you can create. Rituals are nothing but they are a way how you will end up telling a story to a guest. You will never forget the rituals because rituals is the way how you will create memories for your guest. So think about rituals when you serve drinks to your guest. One of the rituals that happens at Talisker Distillery is a ritual in which they serve the Talisker with an oyster shell. And any guest who goes to the bar, any guest who goes to the Talisker bar in that distillery, they will get a oyster, they will pour the whiskey over it, and people have to basically gulp it. Okay, there is another ritual that happens in Speyside when the first whiskey bottle come from Carlton Distillery. They basically pour the whiskey into the River Spey, and then they start bottling the whiskey. So that is also a ritual. So think about any ritual. Okay, modern inclusive rituals, take it outside, functionally, efficiency. आप क्या करोगे ritual? Think about the ideas. Maybe having a cocktail experience with Tanqueray in the farm of Rishi Chris. It could be a experience for a guest that he may like it. So these could be ideas that you can, bring it when you are, working in a bar and want to create some very innovative ideas. Casa Kavya is a place where they have a ritual where they do whiskey flights with chocolate. So they have 5 whiskeys on their menu and 5 chef-curated chocolates that they pair with every whiskey. So this is one of the rituals that they have at their bar. Yeah, tennis ka match hota hai. The moment they win, they will never open a bottle of Scotch whiskey. They always open a bottle of champagne. So that is also a tradition. So read about some of the important traditions in India. I know one of the traditions in Indian Army, when you get promoted, they basically put all your all these medals into a rum, and you have to drink it, gulp it till the time the medals touch your lips. So they keep filling it, keep filling it, keep filling it. And this is one of the traditions. Think about traditions. Think about ideas that how you as a bartender can bring tradition and culture to your drink. Because today drinking is not just about making cocktails, it is also about how you will integrate tradition and culture. Okay, I am going to make this drink, but before I make this drink, do you know who is this guy? Television and telephone were also invented in Scotland. Your ATM machine was also invented in Scotland. Okay, so think about stories, think about inventions. आप जब अगर अपनी story create कर रहे हो, then just relate it to the invention that happened in Scotland. Television is one of the examples that this gentleman is used to create the drink. And John Logie Baird was the man who invented television in Scotland. He's a Scottish guy, and back in 1800s he created television for the entire world. So सोचो जब एक bartender अपना drink create कर रहा है, and his idea was to create a simple whiskey soda drink. He picked up his inspiration from John Logie Baird, where he meant to create a drink with simplicity and to have a modern touch to it. आपने पुराने ज़माने के टीवी देखे, they were basically more bulky, more large in size. But today, with the modern way, televisions are coming in, say, LED screens or say LCD. That is the new way how, in a modern age, how televisions are coming in. So what he has done is, in his whiskey soda drink, he has picked up a singleton. He's not picked up a blended Scotch whiskey because he believes today is a modern world and we are going to have a whiskey which is more premium, more smooth, more light, and change the whiskey from a blended Scotch to a singleton. Here he had picked up Amontillado sherry, because what sherry will do is, sherry will bring a little color to the drink. You know, when you make whiskey soda, it's typically plain in color. But the moment you will add a sherry or a bitter to it, it gives that nice red tinge color to it. And the most important thing is the soda. हम लोग whiskey soda पीते हैं, यहाँ पे whiskey soda में what he has done is he has picked up porridge. Porridge is a very local cereal in Scotland that a lot of people eat in the morning as a breakfast. So he has made his soda by using porridge cream. Yeah, simple drink, just whiskey and soda, but the way how is used the name. Okay, invention, story of a television, story of the modernism, whiskey story, the premiumization, the more the more premium choice to your whiskey, the soda with a touch of porridge. Simple drink, yeah, very simple, and this was a simple drink that Erwin has created. So I am going to make that drink at the bar. I'm going to change the flavor of your soda. One of the drink that I love is a drink called the Orchard Highball, which basically uses whiskey. It uses a cordial, which is peach, passion fruit, and lime, a cordial, and top it up with soda water. So whenever you're making a simple drink like whiskey soda, just think about very simple ideas that you will have in your whiskey soda. It is not important for you to infuse the whiskeys. You might just bring one small touch to it, and it will have a new modern highball, right? Storytelling na is very personal thing. Storytelling may हमेशा think about how you as your own identity can bring it to your life. Okay, that is very important. Second important thing in storytelling is that whenever you're creating a story, think about three things. First is the beginning. Second is the middle, which is the more fun part to it, and then it should also has an end. Have you seen this movie called Bajrangi Bhaijaan? Huh? So whenever you're creating a drink story, think about these three things. Storytelling is all about a beginning, a great beginning, a right balance of action, and then in the end, it should have a happy end. Story about people, story about ingredient, like you said, story about theme, story about, say, for example, Holi. You may bring out a story like by just giving a name to a drink. It could just call it as Rang De Basanti. Yeah, and people could relate, oh my god, Rang De Basanti means it's completely a holy drink. When you have great stories, you have great remembrance. And great stories will only come when you read about the brands. A story about a shape of a bottle of a whiskey. Singleton, why the shape of the bottle is like this. They have a very good story, easy to carry backpack. And this was the reason when this whiskey was created. The story is that a lot of people love carrying hip flask. Have you seen hip flask?
Yes, sir.
Scottish wedding में वो लोग अपनी स्कर्ट के आगे लगा के रखते हैं. Okay, so shape of the bottle could also be a story. Johnny Walker bottles have a great story that every label is at 22.5 so that people can see it from a distance. Yeah. Okay, provenance is a great story. Provenance means आप कहाँ से आते हो. For example, if you come say from Punjab, you might pick up sweet lime as an ingredient when you're creating a drink using Tanqueray number 10. If you're coming say from Maharashtra, if you're coming day after we have a session in Bombay, so a lot of Bombay bartenders pick up ingredients from their nearby areas. आपने देखा है यहाँ पे उत्तराखंड के अंदर there is a lot of local produce, which is basically your burash, which is a great flour. It could be pine syrup, it could be pine tree, तो वहाँ पे बहुत abundance में है. You might pick up pine needles as an ingredient and you convert them into a syrup. If you are coming say from Rajasthan, you may pick up the spice which is called the mathania, okay, as a local chili. So prominence plays a very important role. आप कहाँ से आते हो, आपकी लोकेशन कहाँ पे है, आपके आसपास क्या प्रोड्यूस होता है, आपके आसपास हो सकता है कोई पर्सनैलिटी वहाँ से निकली हो. You might dedicate that drink to a guy who has written a book on that place. You might pick up a movie theater which is one of the oldest theaters in that area, and you might dedicate that drink to that place. So provenance also plays a critical role when you are doing your storytelling. So think about from where you are, what personalities have being your neighbors or being your local residents of your area, and provenance can actually bring story. This is purely a story of provenance. What Giacomo has done here is he's picked up Singleton of Grafton because he wanted to express his love to Singleton. He picked up pine liqueur because when he was traveling from lowland to Speyside, he saw all across only the pine trees. So he picked up pine trees and as an example to create the syrup that he was using. Pedro Jimenez, why he uses Pedro Jimenez is because he was using a drink when he was participating for Spain. Emmer Picon is Italian because Giacomo is an Italian guy, so he wanted to bring that Italian touch to it. And in the last is bitters because he believed that every story is a bittersweet story and wanted to end a story with a short bitter. So पूरी कहानी में अगर आप देखोगे, in the emotion, it was winning drink by the way. He has given all his emotions to his drink. The place where he was born, the place where he was working, the whiskey that he loves the most, and and the Pedro Jimenez Sherry, which is the reason where basically the bar that he tend to. आपने देखा इंडिया में when people drink, this plays a very important role, right wrong? यार इंडिया में before the whiskey comes in, the masala peanuts and chicken fry comes in, ऐसा ही है? Food plays a very important role. Food pairing doesn't mean that you have to bring the entire portion to the table. It could be a small piece of a chocolate. It could be, say, a creme brulee or Glen kimchi is a great example. Served in a restaurant in Edinburgh, a lot of people love it. Maybe avocado on toast and Singleton of 12 years old could be one of the examples if you have a European restaurant. Cocktails, where should we begin? You have to start a story. Now you have a drink, now you have a recipe. How you as a bartender will now start on creating a recipe of the drink. How you will start imagining that this is going to be recipe of my cocktail. This is going to be the story. Okay, how will you write a whiskey menu? If you are at a bar and you have this huge range of whiskey with you, you might categorize those whiskey menus into 3 parts, alphabetically, by region or by flavor. I would rather say pick up this because consumers in India talk about this more, then maybe this, and then maybe this. So if you are working in, say, a multi-cuisine restaurant and it's a coffee shop where you are a bartender, you might pick up this because you want people to just come and see the whiskey menu and just pick it up and order. Maybe this, if you are a complete whiskey bar and if you have very discerning audience coming to your place, you might pick up like this. But ये सबसे simple है. क्या flavor है? Sir, peach है, apple है, lemon है, ginger है. People understand flavor. So this is a great way how you will categorize your menu. Okay, very very important is your innovative presentations. Scotch whiskey cocktails में you might not get a great opportunity to use flowers. I have used one of the cocktails because this is matching but you have to think about how you as bring the more innovative presentations when it comes to presenting a Scotch whiskey cocktail. You might pick up a map, for example, if you are doing a whiskey cocktail, say with Talisker, you might at the background pick up, say, a whiskey map which is from Isle of Skye. Abhi hum in another 2-3 days we are doing cocktails at India Cocktail Week. So we are using Talisker map, dark chocolates, where people be able to read that this is the location from where the Talisker comes in, and once they unwrap the whiskey, the label of the chocolate, there will be a tasting chocolate which is made with sea salt. So think about very, very innovative presentations. Oyster shells is a great example how as a ritual of Talisker and oyster shells works. Next मैं बोलूँगा नहीं, इसके next. Date of birth. Date of birth is important. Why? Because there is also a age gate. मैंने आपको पहले बताया अगर आप गुड़गांव से हो then it is 18. If you're from Delhi, it is 21. So if you're 19 and you are in Delhi, then participate from Gurgaon. Okay. Phone number पता होगा आपको, Instagram ID पता है, name of the bar you work in, address of the bar, city, phone, postcode, cocktail name. Very important. Do not write the wrong name of the cocktail. So write the name and check twice. Tell us your cocktail story. यहाँ पे आप इसको वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में लिख लो, जस्ट राइट योर स्टोरी इन वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट एंड जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट है, सो दैट यू कैन स्पेल चेक, यू कैन डू योर ग्रामर चेक, यू कैन डू वॉट एवर यू चेक इन द वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट, जस्ट कट, कॉपी एंड पेस्ट है. Method clearly, because we have to, when your recipes are coming to us, we are seeing it just as invigilators and we don't know what is happening at the bar, what you have thought. So recipe has to be correct. If for example you have used say a homemade syrup, then write how you have made that homemade syrup. We might not get that कि आपने क्या use किया. So be very, very explanatory when it comes to your ingredients and your method. अगर आपने कोई coffee filter use किया है, अगर आपने कुछ distillation use किया है, whatever way that you have used, whatever method you have used, ensure that we as people who can't see you sitting in say visa offices can give you the visa. गार्निश, अब गार्निश में कई बार लास्ट टाइम हमने काफ़ी सारी रेसिपी रिजेक्ट की थी, इसलिए बिकॉज फोटो में रेसिपी गार्निश दिख रहा है लेमन और वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ऑरेंज. ओके, सो इट माइट डिडक्ट योर मार्क्स, सो प्लीज बी वेरी केयरफुल. कॉकटेल इमेज विद बॉटल, ओके, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ना. डू नॉट जस्ट टेक द पिक्चर without the bottle and upload it. The picture has to come with the bottle and the brand that you have used in your cocktail. Cocktail image with the bottle and you, okay, extremely important. इसका सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ये है, आप सब लोगों को DBA वेबसाइट पे जाके ड्रिंक रिस्पॉन्सिबिली जो मॉड्यूल है वो कंप्लीट करना है. इफ़ यू डोंट डू दैट, ये आपको अलाउ नहीं करेगा रेसिपी सबमिट करने में. Because once you finish that module, you will get a certificate, and you have to upload that certificate copy on the website. So it's important for you to complete that module before you start filling even the form. ये सारे modules आपके website के ऊपर हैं. Please give some time and read these modules. These are some amazing modules which has a lot of information. The last year module was the rule of 3 for Singleton and for tectonics for Tanqueray. So amazing modules. Please go through them, read as much as you can. I confirm. Please take the Diageo Bar Academy. यहाँ पे आपको upload करना है अपना certificate. At this link, you have to upload your certificate. Clear? Any questions? Very important slide, huh? Okay. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much for joining in.